Forecast.
You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and shares trading signals from experts. I'm Andrew Whitelaw. First, the US dollar. The dollar fell on Friday after dovish commentary from the Fed, which said it would not necessarily increase rates even if its 6.5% unemployment and 2% inflation targets were met. The greenback ended the day at 1.3276 to the euro and 98.27 to the yen. Today's data includes pending home sales, which are expected to rise by 11.5% year-on-year in June, although a minus 1% fall is expected month-on-month. Next to the euro. The euro traded mixed on Friday after concerns the eurozone might suffer if the Fed reduced accommodation, as this would lead to higher borrowing costs. The single currency ended the day at 1.3276 to the dollar and 130.47 to the yen. British pound. The pound fell on Friday after investors shed high-yielding assets ahead of next week's central bank meetings in order to limit exposure and from general position squaring before the weekend. Sterling ended the day at 1.5376 to the dollar and 0.8627 to the euro. Today's data includes net consumer credit, which is expected to remain at 0.7 billion in June, and mortgage approvals, which are expected to rise by 59,700 also in June. Japanese yen. The yen strengthened on Friday after consumer price index data showed a larger than expected rise in inflation, which was an endorsement of Abenomics and indicated further accommodation probably wouldn't be necessary. The yen ended the day at 98.27 to the dollar and 151.08 to the pound. Today's data includes household spending, which is expected to rise by 1.3% year-on-year in June, the jobless rate, which is expected to fall a basis point to 4%, and industrial production, which is expected to fall by minus 2.9% year-on-year. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you, in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts in the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.325, with 1.33 and 1.337 as next targets. The downside penetration of 1.325, which will call for 1.321 and 1.3175. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.5335 with 1.543 and 1.5485 as next targets. The downside breakout of 1.5035, which will open the way to 1.5295 and 1.526. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open short positions below 98.4 with targets at 97.5 and 97.2. The upside penetration of 98.4, which will call for a rebound towards 99 and 99.35. Good luck and happy trading. Tune in tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Andrew Whitelaw and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a great day.